If you suspect that your PlayStation account has been compromised, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the PlayStation sign-in page. Before starting recovery, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your PlayStation account. Make sure it is the correct email, as this is where the recovery instructions will be sent. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from PlayStation with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the link provided in the email. Step 4. Reset your password. Create a new, strong password for your account. Make sure it is unique and not used for any other accounts. Confirm the new password by entering it again as prompted. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to access it in the future. By following these steps, you can regain access to your PlayStation account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any suspicious activity.